Hello, friends. This is the Robin's Nest by Terry. Today, we're participating in the 12 Days of Christmas. Our host is the Rustic and Lace DIY, and Molly Cole Creates. Please check out their channel, and the link to the 12 Days of Christmas playlist will be in the description box and in the comments, so you can find other fun Christmas DIYs to watch. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you enjoy Terry painting her snowman.
Small one, and I'm not a person who likes to paint small at all. But while I was there, we went into Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to do a painting. You know how every once in a while I'll pop up with a $10 painting course? It's going to be with these round ornaments. It's going to be a $10 class, and it's going to be probably 6 different ornaments, similar, well, not quite as hard as that one because that one's going to take a while, but it's going to be 6 ornaments for like $10, and kind of give you a behind the scenes look at how I paint and how I teach, because I got some really good reviews from my cow this weekend that I taught. I did not get pictures, but some of the other ladies did, and I'll be sharing those pictures of how first-time painters painted that cow, and it really looked good. Well, I'm starting to like the splatter. I am. I'm going to add just a little bit more to this. And if you saw this morning, I got a lot of paintbrushes from Hobby Lobby while I was out there. They had theirs on clearance. Not a big selection, but enough. So, went to Hobby Lobby to buy canvas for my Halloween outfit. So I had stopped on our way, got my outfit, and then I didn't even make it to the party. So I left the scarf plain because that is going to be where I personalize. But I'm loving the look of shading around everything, the eyes, everything. That way it kind of gives it a, more of an icy look to it. But I do need to shade this with a little bit of black. Excuse me. Splattering gives your painting depth, and it also fills up your background, and it's easy, and it's quick. I like that even better. I'm Virginia from Alabama. Oh, it fills it up. It doesn't take any, well, it does take skill, because I'm telling you, some of mine would have long streaks. I was just horrible at it. My husband tried to teach me, and I actually don't think he was much better at it. I did not have the knack for the longest time. I was putting too much water on my brush. Just a pocket of snow right there. And then we're going to splatter this one. See what happens. I sure don't want anything too big. And I know, I've got toothbrushes, but they're at home underneath my bathroom sink where I put my used toothbrushes to bring them over here, and I never think to bring them over here until I do this, so. kind of like Q-tips. I finally brought Q-tips over here the other day. All right. I just want to add a little bit of shading up there on top. Hi, Debbie. Let's see. I cut that off there and there. So this one, I am just going to go ahead and put diamond dust on it because, see, I don't like how that little piece of speckle went on there. This one isn't turned right, so he's kind of leaning over a little bit. Hi, Judy and Joyce. I'm getting there. Let's see. Use that brush. I did, oh, you know what? I did bring Q-tips over, but I think they're in my painting thing that I took to Oklahoma. I have to get some sealer that I used to use that has, it was a glitter glaze, and I haven't had that for a long time. And I can just put, but I am not a Mod Podge user, so I did not realize that Mod Podge made a form with glitter in it. So on top of, I need to add that to my Amazon cart. I forgot the part on his nose. See if I can. Aw. I don't like that one right there by his eye where it hit. Maybe I won't splatter things that are little. Because you never know when that little speck is going to show up. And that little tiny thing will bother me. So that one right there above his eye. Might as well take that one out. I don't even know what happened there. I think I got some long strands. I won't spackle any, or splatter any more of those. Oh, a Post-it over his face. That would work. We get old and lean. Oh. I don't know. I get older and whiter. All right, ladies. I'm going to call it a night. I have not started on any of my paperwork that I left behind 5 or 6 days ago. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the splattering on an ornament, but he's okay. Now I did leave, because I got some long lines in there. I left that open so that I could personalize on it, but I'm not pleased with that one, but this one I think turned out really well. But the difference is I got a nice big area to paint, and my problem with ornaments is I like to do just as much detail on the small one as I do the big one, and then sometimes it doesn't work out. I don't care for the ornament, but it works. So, all right, ladies, thank you for joining me tonight. I will catch you guys all again tomorrow night. Good night, everyone. All right, ladies, I'm going to call it a night. I have not started on any of my paperwork that I left behind 5 or 6 days ago. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the splattering on an ornament, but he's okay. Now I did leave, because I got some long lines in there. I left that open so that I could personalize on it, but I'm not pleased with that one, but this one I think turned out really well.